In this ukulele tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to play an easy Christmas carol with just 4 chords. This is I Saw 3 Ships. We're going to play it with a driving sea shanty, Irish style rhythm. This video I'll teach you the chords, the driving Irish strum, and we will play the entire song together. This version of I Saw 3 Ships includes a sea shanty style chorus, which is really fun to play and is sure to get everybody singing along with you. You can follow along with the written notation right here on the screen. This song will be included in my annual holiday jam. You can get the free songbook at the link down below. Please join me for the annual party. We sing songs from Christmas, Hanukkah, and other traditions. It's going to be a great time. Click the links down below to get your free songbook, and I'll see you at the jam. Let's start with the basic chords and a simple strum. Just strum down as we learn the structure. Here we go. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day, I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. Not very hard, right? Always a good idea to first block out the rhythm of the chord changes under your fretting hand so we can add the strum later. Now we're going to add to those chords a driving rhythm that sounds like this. The basic rhythm is 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Copy me, please. I have my index finger pointed out. I'm touching lightly with my thumb and just brushing with the very tip of my nail in this pattern. 1, 2, and 3. That's down, down, up, down. Now do it again. 4, 5, and 6. Let's play it together. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's play it 2 times more. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Excellent. Make sure that it all feels light. We're only accenting beats 1 and 4. So when we play faster, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. It's all very light and with a loose wrist. Common mistake is to play everything very hard or to keep the wrist a little tight. So a fun trick you can do is a little practice tip. Pretend you're dipping your finger in a river or a cup of tea and you're shaking the water off, okay? That puts you in touch with what it would be like to play with a floppy wrist. Now, place that feeling into the strum. Let's try it together as we sing the verse. Ready? Here we go. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day, I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. Right? When you accent beats 1 and 4, it really gives you that lilting, rocking 6/8 feel, very characteristic of sea shanty music and Irish music as well. When we get to the chorus, we're going to change to an F chord, and we're going to sing this note, C on top. Sounds like this. Here I go. Heave away, haul away, on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Again, heave away, haul away, on Christmas Day in the morning. How's that feel? Your wrist getting a good workout? Remember to remind yourself of what it feels like to whip the water off your fingertip, keeping it nice and loose. Let's play the entire song together. I'm so glad that you decided to join me. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, please reach out, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to click the subscribe button. You know, I have a ton of free content waiting for you right here at this channel, Ukulele Zen. This channel is all about helping you to learn to play your ukulele in a way that's fun, relaxing, and effective. Please check the links down below if you'd like to join as a member and receive bonus content each and every month. There's bonus lessons and a whole bunch of membership perks waiting for members. Let's begin our jam by counting ourselves in, breathing deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, C chord. Take a deep breath with me and sing. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. And what was in those ships, all 3, on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day? And what was in those ships, all 3, on Christmas Day in the morning? Chorus. Heave away, haul away, on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Heave away, haul away, on Christmas Day in the morning. Remember, get everybody singing along on Christmas Day. Here we go. Oh, they sailed to Bethlehem on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Oh, they sailed to Bethlehem on Christmas Day in the morning. And all the bells on earth shall ring on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. All the bells on earth shall ring on Christmas Day in the morning. Heave away, haul away, on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Heave away, haul away, on Christmas Day in the morning. Here we go, all the angels. And all the angels in heaven shall sing on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. And all the angels in heaven shall sing on Christmas Day in the morning. And let us all rejoice and amen on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. And let us all rejoice and amen on Christmas Day in the morning. Chorus. Heave away, haul away, on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Heave away, haul away, on Christmas Day in the morning. The last verse, I like to bring it down a little bit, bring people in. And all the souls on earth shall sing on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. And all the souls on earth shall sing on Christmas Day in the morning. Thank you so much for watching and making music. All the souls on earth singing is, of course, you. I hope you have a beautiful holiday with your family. Thank you so much, and I hope this song brings a lot of happiness to you and your loved ones. Look forward to seeing you in another video sometime soon. Until then, keep jamming, keep on smiling.